Hey guys, it's Karen Marrow. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you a Vid Chomper review. This is a brand new product, just came out yesterday. You might have seen it in your inbox and wondered what it's all about. I'm going to give you a review here in just a second. But before we get to that, if you're new to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home. And I do a lot of product reviews on this channel as well, just to let you make an informed buying decision. If those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos each and every day. With that being said, again, this is the Vid Chomper review. What exactly is Vid Chomper? It is a Warrior Plus product, and basically it's a software to create unique videos in 60 seconds from Creative Commons videos and any niche that you can monetize. So you don't have to make any of your own videos. These are just videos that you can put together. The creator of the product is Brendan Mace, and he has made a lot of money in internet marketing, has a lot of products out there. Most of them he will do with Jonah Armstrong, so these are really good products generally. The cost of the Vid Chomper is $22.95, and that's going to allow you to create 20 videos a month. Then there's an upsell for the Pro that you can make unlimited videos, renders, anything, pretty much anything is unlimited, and that's for $67. The second upsell is Vid Chomp, and that is Brendan's course on how to get high-ticket commissions, and then you can license to resell that course at 50% commissions, and that is going to be $197. The third upsell is unlimited traffic, and that's going to allow you to put your pixels on their sales pages for $197. The fourth upsell is Max Bundle. It says every product that they've ever released online in their high ticket coaching group, and that is, I forgot to put this on here, that's $197. And then the upsell number 5 is the license rights to sell Vid Chomper, and that is $97 to do that, and you're going to be able to earn 100% commissions. So let's take a look at Vid Chomper. The first thing you're going to do is you have to go to your settings here and get the API keys, and there's a video on how to do that. Now, ironically enough, I was not able to do this. I was able to get the API settings, but then when I followed exactly what he said in the video. I went to put in, okay, you have to put in, right here, I got the API, and then you have to put this in, and this other URL, and this right here, where you put web application. I put that app, vidchomper.com, and then he said to copy paste this, and when I did this, it says that invalid redirect domain must be added to the authorized domain list. I went there and I could not put it in my authorized domain list. It didn't work, so I did exactly what they said. Also in the video there, it doesn't say anything about you have to authorize this domain list. When he puts it in there, it just comes up this blue that you can create it, and then you go on to the next step. So unfortunately I was not able to do that, but that's what you're supposed to do, the first settings. And then you would search videos. You would go in here and put a keyword, so let's say it was make money online, and then there's going to be all these videos that come up from the Creative Commons, which are videos that are okay for you to use and as your own. So you can use one of them, or you can put them, we call it Vid Chomper because it's going to chomp these videos together. And then you have the ability in here to edit. You can take out whatever you don't want. You can add an outro, so it has like a link and a call to action to purchase a particular affiliate product. And then you can share this video to Vimeo or YouTube, so you can use it as your own video. So that's basically all the software is. And then you have your videos in here that you're rendering. Videos older than 30 days will be removed. Download your videos if you need a local copy. So again, I wasn't able to show that to you because I couldn't get the software to actually work. And I don't know if that's just because it just launched yesterday or maybe some kind of glitch. But then they've got training videos in here, walkthrough of the software. So he shows in other courses that I bought of Brendan's are really, really good. He always has really great tutorial videos on exactly how to do it. Then he's got keyword research for videos, and then how to monetize your videos. Coming soon, monetized outro. And then you've got your early adopter bonuses down here. And then there is a support right here. I actually didn't find that. I was looking for the support. Now I see it. As far as this, me not being able to get my API keys. And then of course you've got your upgrades down here if you want to go back and purchase any of those upgrades, unlimited traffic and all the ones that I mentioned earlier. So it's really pretty easy to use. I would say the pros of it are it's low cost. You can do $22.95 and be able to create 20 videos a month, which is really good. Money back guarantee, pretty easy to do if you're able to get the API key, which I wasn't able to do. That is a little complicated, but it's free traffic, and we all know how powerful video can be. And again, you don't have to pay any money for after you purchase the software. It will save you time, not times, save you time because you don't have to create these videos yourself. It's good if you don't want to put your face on camera. A lot of people don't want to do that, but they do want to take advantage of the benefits of video traffic. You can have a potential to earn some good money with it, especially I think with the upsells and be able to offer the higher ticket products. So those would be what I would say the pros of the software are. The cons, I would say you're not branding yourself because you're using other people's videos. I'm not sure how well they'll rank to get sales, but I guess there is a potential to rank it and get some sales. They do have the video on how to set up the API key. It is really complicated, so I had to open it in another window and just go back and forth, but then again I wasn't able to get the whole thing set up. Support, now I did find that there is support, of course. They do have an email support, but I'm not sure other than that what kind of support that you get if you have any questions with using the software. But those would be the cons that I would say with it. Now, I would recommend this actually. I think that it is a good product that you can get some traffic to some videos and you can just edit them as you want to. If it were me, I would say more than this though, I would recommend this one here. I just did a video on it that comes with a free webinar that's like an hour and a half. It's the passive affiliate auto webinar, and even if you don't buy the product, which is $297, I would say if you watch this webinar, it would just open your eyes up to what is possible with video marketing. Like a lot of these people that I saw, the students in here, I already know them, and one of them I was like, what happened to his channel? He started getting like a lot of subscribers, and when you get to 1,000 watch hours and 4,000 or 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can get Google AdSense revenue, which is residual income you can earn every month. That's pretty much guaranteed. After you get that, I mean, I got approved the end of March, and I make anywhere from $400 to $600 a month. So he shows you in this webinar how to do what's called copycat, where you find videos that are already ranking and you do one that's similar, and you're able to get a lot of traffic and a lot of views and a lot of subscribers. So I'm going to leave a link in the description below the video to this review that I did, Make Money Without Showing Your Face. If you want to check that out, in addition to Vid Chomper, my review here, you know, like I said, I think that you could make some money with Vid Chomper. But if it was me looking at the two, I would probably go with this one here. So I hope you guys found some value from this Vid Chomper review. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below the video. Also, if you need to contact me, I do have my contact information in the description below the video. And again, I'm going to leave a link to that auto affiliate webinar in the description below this video. And also, if you'd like to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, that'll be the first link in the description below the video. You can check it out if you'd like. With that being said, this is Marrow signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.